Hi, my name is Richard, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about GutGo before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about GutGo supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is GutGo and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The supplement contains beneficial bacteria that help restore the natural balance of the gut microbiome. Probiotics play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. By replenishing the gut with these beneficial bacteria, GutGo helps improve overall digestive health. These are non-digestible fibers that feed and nourish probiotics, promoting their growth and activity. By including prebiotics in its formulation, GutGo ensures that the probiotics can thrive, leading to a more robust gut microbiome. GutGo contains enzymes that aid in the breakdown of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, into smaller, more absorbable molecules. This enhances digestion and reduces common issues like bloating and discomfort. The formulation may include herbal ingredients known for their soothing properties, which can help alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort and promote a healthy digestive tract. By addressing multiple aspects of digestive health, GutGo aims to enhance the body's ability to digest food efficiently, absorb nutrients, and maintain a balanced gut microbiome. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive products that do not give any results. Make a test with GutGo and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 365 days to use GutGo 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.